This is Jules Verne, the 1.5-year-old Standard Poodle. Jules is here with me to complete our 2-week board and train. Jules is very smart and eager to please, but he has a lot of really crazy behaviors like jumping on people, pulling on the leash, and he has a lot of excessive barking as well. The following videos that you are about to see are everything that he's learned with me over the past 2 weeks.